Latibuedier was supposed to play the deeper midfield role, which takes the ball from the centre back and
Yeah,
DJ
and
push the play forward.
DJ
Latibuedier
was
was
the one.
yeah,
DJ was the one playing
Latibuedier
that role.
was hiding from the ball. Then DJ had to take up the responsibility and go back so deep where he wasn't getting the touches in the attacking third
In
to
third.
move the ball forward. No, this is why I said that I asked the coach in the press conference, I said, Coach, what are we going to do with Latibeaudierer, who is out and out right back at his club, and you're playing him basically as a makeshift CDM? What are you going to do with this? Because this is why I say, if military, I wanted Jamaica to lose this game today.
No, man. Hey, no, man. No, man. No, man.
No, military, let me finish my point. I wanted Jamaica to lose this game. And you know why? The same time when Tapa was going down to Costa Rica, I'm the only one said I want Tapa to lose the game today. So
Why?
we can fix
Why?
the problem now. And you know what happened? Tapa went to Costa Rica and draw the game and can lose 3 after that. And then everybody saying we get fired.
So what? So you want
the thing get in at the middle of the World Cup qualifier where Costa Rica is there, Panama is playing well, Honduras beat Mexico. So now we're looking at 3 here, and Jamaica have to start thinking about try go qualify with the Oceania because we are playing Latibuedier.
Hold on. So why would you want? So Jamaica play Canada. Why would you want Jamaica to lose the game? Me just understand why. Give me the reason why.
Because we need the coach to come out of delusional mindset and understand that Latibuedier cannot play there. We cannot continue. Military, as I said, is like you drive from Kingston, go to Mobile with a spare tire upon your car. I say, well, you drive all right, but it's a spare. And you start get comfortable with the spare before you go fix the car and get the next tire upon the car and get a good drive. This is the problem. The coach want to roll upon a spare tire with Latibuedier at sea. And if we did win today, he would have think it can work. It cannot work. We look on the statistics against the big teams.
So,
USA, we
understand the point where I come from.
3 we pick up from Mexico. Today, 2-1.
But me I say, JT, me understand the point where you come from, you know. I understand the point you're coming from now. But does that still constitute it to you to want to lose the game?
Yes, sometimes you have to lose so for people to understand where we're going. Listen, military, when Elon Musk took over Twitter, him fire one whole pop, and people said, oh my God, he's going to lose sponsorship, ads, and everything. But guess what? He had to make those moves and cut those people loose to build his company the way he knows it's going to be functional and optimized in a way. If this coach don't cut this Latibuedier tie in the middle of the park, brother, we are going to live with the elephant in the room and convince ourselves that it can work, and it cannot work. There's no competitive football team in the top ranks who play without a midfield. If you can show me a team we are winning a football right now.
Hold on. I'm not going to disagree to that, you know, because personally, I thought that you'd see the issue that's happening here. Let me tell you what I'm thinking is the issue. At halftime, a little bit before halftime, I saw John Russell warm up. And in the middle, I didn't see him come out halftime warm. So I assume say probably must pull out Latibuedier and put in John Russell. But what I'm saying is, me and you don't necessarily know the reason why he might play Latibuedier. He must see what I look for in having Latibuedier in that position. Yes, we can't say, boy, it's wrong. But him losing the game now, you want him to lose in the game now, that not going to spell good for us in the entirety of the situation.
Yeah.
I think more than likely he must identify something wrong and he must try fix it.
That's the problem, military. If you listen to his answer in the press conference, even when I asked them about Javian Brown, John Wall said Javian Brown has been very good for us. So these people don't think the same way we think. As you said, maybe because we are watching game on TV, look like the man they might play good in our stadium and we not see it.
All right, you are going now. Let me tell you about the stadium aspect of things now. See, with the stadium aspect of things, you know, you're amongst fans, there's a bit more joy and happiness when they're at the stadium. So maybe a bit of euphoria feel when they're at the stadium. So maybe that's why the perspective kind of different. Just saying, maybe. But at the stadium, I don't think most person I see them kind of lean into all of the aspects of what people that see on TV. For example, I think most of us would have seen that Latibuedier thing now work. But we at the stadium, we see and tired from about 30 minutes. We can see him literally walk in front of our eyes from 30 minutes. When the ball in attack, we can watch him just barely walk and go up there rather than move fast to get in that position. But at the end of the day, me just still not subscribe to the fact that boy, me want to lose because we prove a point. Me find that kind of that me don't know, that's weird.
Yeah, man, we need to lose this game for the coach to, because now something have to happen, you know. Because when you lose, you know, something have to happen, you know. Going into the Canada game. All right, why this coach keep bringing 23 players in the squad if he only plan to play 13 of them?
That's a good question.
How many? That mean military not believing in the man them on the bench.
How much substitution he make?
All is the next man up, competent player at the international level. You now fire.
How much substitution he make?
Warm up. Eh?
How much substitution he make?
Yo, Canada made about 4 substitution before we made another one.
Yeah, them use all them so, but we don't know how much we make.
Bro, we brought on
Trevante come on, Phillips come
that
on.
That was automatic by default.
Brown come on.
And Demario Williams.
Romario Williams come on.
Romario Williams.
So now four.
You think any of those 3 substitutions sound like substitution that can impact a game?
No, but let me tell you this, JT, remember now, say, what me and you know, and what me you see totally different from what coach know him want. Just like how me can say, boy, in the stadium, I thought that at some moments of the game, Trevante and Boza link up well, and them tussle with the defender.
Oh my God!
Just listen, man.
Trevante hurt Jamaica today more than
no, you can't. No. You see, that's the thing now. You want to lay everything pan, and you want to lay everything pan film foot, and me can't subscribe to that because I strongly believe say if we were more clinical from the get-go of the game, we would have been 3-0 up from the first half.
That is true. That is true,
MG.
But MG,
yeah.
You know that me and the coach close because me and the coach talk and reason at times, right? But honestly, I have to substitutions, especially one in particular. Based off what we saw against Guatemala, I can't see any justification of seeing Demario Phillips going out the field. I cannot see any justification. I don't care about how much energy, how much battery I'm having in back. I cannot see the justification of Demario Phillips. Because, again, the second goal, as much as we know that the defensive aspect of it was extremely poor, the back post, Demario Phillips walked